Let's get started on this adorable bunny design. I would bet money that you are very familiar with the $sign and that you're very used to writing them. So we're going to use a simple $sign to start this adorable design, and you're going to watch these adorable bunnies take shape, all by starting with a $sign. Now that we have a $sign, I'm going to make some round shapes to create the heads of each bunny, and then I'm going to line out their bodies and their feet and their ears. I'm using a chalk pencil on a Santorini stone. You could use a regular pencil, chalk pencil, or if you want to be bold and go straight for a paint pen, you could do that too. Now that I have the design lined out, I'm going to take this plastic eraser. It's really good for removing pencil marks, and I'm going to get rid of some of the extra sketchy lines that I created with the chalk pencil. I'm also going to use a paintbrush and just plain water because that removes the chalk pencil really well. I just want to get the main outline that'll get covered up by my black pen. Now I'm going to take my Posca PC1MR paint pen. It's really great for line details, and I'm just going to outline the entire design. So now's when you're really going to see those bunnies take shape. Now I'm going to add some facial features to the bunnies. On the first one, I'm going to put round eyes and then a little triangle for the nose and 2 curved lines. And on the second bunny, this bunny is loving this hug so much that his eyes are squished shut because he's just getting the best squeeze out of this little hug with his friend. So same thing with the nose and the curved lines. I'm coming back through again with water on a paintbrush just to remove any little traces of those pink lines that are remaining. I've been on a kick lately with my metallic watercolors, so I'm adding a little bit of water to one of my paint dot cards and I'm swirling it up, and then I'm going to add some very slight accents to the bunny's ears and their bellies. If you don't have these watercolors, you could do this with a pink paint pen, you could do it with paint, any way that you want to do this. You could use watercolor pencils, but I've just been in love with these metallic watercolors, so this is what I chose to use. As a final little accent, I'm going to add some hologram glitter paint onto each of the bunnies' tails. Could this be any cuter? Could it be any easier? I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you make some cute hugging bunnies of your own. If you want to paint along with me again, click on the video on the screen or the link in the description to see another tutorial. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time. Take care.